Hey, what's going on? Okay, this is Ash here. I'm going to give you a breakdown in this video of what it takes to be successful in affiliate marketing. Now, most people come in, they purchase a $67 product or a $27 product. Let's say you buy a $67 course. You're excited, right? You go through the modules. Now you need to go to make money with affiliate marketing. Well, here's what actually looks like. You pick an offer that pays you maybe $30 commission. Now, to make $3,000 a month, which is a modest goal, you need to hit 100 sales. 100 sales a month, meaning 3 to 4 sales every single day. Now, what's your conversion rate with no mentor? No proven system. No one to troubleshoot in your campaigns. Industry average for beginners, guess what? It's about 1 to 2%. Oh, it's okay. So now to get 100 sales, you're going to need 5,000 to 10,000 people clicking on your links every single month. Where those guys come from? Where do they pay the ads? This costs money. Organic content. That takes 12 to 18 months to build. Now, who do you call when your funnel breaks down 2 in the morning? The $67 course won't do it. There's no one there. That's the main problem. The math here, I'm going to explain to you what is different when you change your mindset to a higher mindset. So here's what it looks like. Let's flip it for a second, okay? Instead of a $30 commission you offer, you are promoting a high ticket offer that pays $1,000, $3,000, and even $10,000 per sale. Now, to make $10,000 a month, let's say, at $1,000 per commission, you only need 10 sales. And guess what? If you're having a high ticket $10,000 commission, you only need 1 sale a month. That's completely a different business. That's a manageable target. That's something a real mentor with a proven system can actually help you get, who are already making that kind of money to begin with. That's the key of having a mentor. Now, here's what changes the game when you have a mentorship. You're not guessing which offer promotes. Your mentor tells you. You're not building a funnel from scratch. You're plugging into a real system that's already converting. That's the key. You're not figuring out what traffic sources to go to. Okay? You have a team that's already done it, following the yellow brick road, as the saying goes, right? The learning curve that takes the average person about 2 to 3 years alone is compressed to just 90 days with the right system and the right mentor. Now, this is not a sales pitch. This is the math, all right? So let's take a look at the real cost of being cheap, okay? Here's what it looks like. What do you want to think about? Here's it is, okay? Every month, okay, you spend time in figuring out this on your own, what it costs you to do something. Not just money and ads, of course. It costs you time, okay? And time is the one thing that you can never get back. If in the difference between where there are, let's say now 10,000 a month to 18,000 months of trial and error, okay, look what it takes, versus 90 days with a mentor, what is the 15,000 months actually worth to you? That 15,000 months for getting to that $10,000 a month goal versus in 90 days. Now, I'm telling you this not to get you to spend money. I'm telling you this to stop thinking and think about the math and think about the time it takes, because you end up spending time if you don't spend the money. Either way, you have to have those 2 assets you will be spending. So the $67 course feels safe, right? Not much money out of your pocket. I get it. And that's what I did when I first started. But safe has a price to it, and most people never calculate that one. So here's why I'm doing this, so you can calculate the price. If this is math, let's make sense about this, okay? And you can understand this much better when I go into detail here. Okay, I'll leave you with a link here below where you can actually book a call directly with me. No pressure, no pitches, just to give you the math, and then you can decide for yourself. Okay, if you're not already investing into something like this, you are wasting more time. And this is what the math looks like with a mentorship and with the right system. Okay, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Click on the link. Have an awesome day.